see fish them there. And yeah. That's why I turtle. Them see fish them there. And I fish them. And they did you yeah. What is like so all place I look there. Very, very pretty. Mm. So I fish them. Let me see turtle over your side. Right. There's some big fish there. Mm. Thing. Yeah, people out here. Now I go and do it. Mm. So, I'm going outside. I go look for around them. Let me see and I crab them and so hot. It's a cool stay right outside of the spot. Mm-hmm. Cool still. So when I head on to my girl till now, I live on a turkey river park. Feel hungry still, but walk up here and I get I got Burger King or Shakura. Anything you feel like. Yeah. So what is Sand Castle? Sand Castle. What is Sand Castle? Mm-hmm. Head on to Margaritaville and now. Car drive fast and things. So very hot out there, man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, people know a thing going on, man. We out here like every day, man. But I enjoy ourselves, man. Let's see it. Tell us till the next friend, we just go watch official Rendon vlog them. Yeah, but I don't know we out here. And we are trying to do a thing. BOYT people out there, so. Dance. BOYT people out there. BOYT.
It's right, Birch. Yeah.
I'm close, I'm going to go swimming, man. Sorry, I'm close. Sorry, I'm close. See? Yeah, I enjoy themselves. Oh God. I enjoy themselves. Summer, straight vlog life, we say, see it. Straight vlogging, man, vlogging all the way. All the way. Straight vlogging, we say, man. Yeah. Remember, follow me on Instagram, you know, official Rendon. Yeah, official. 2 underscore and it's Rendon. Yeah. How we out here, man. We are going to meet the people, you know. See it.